Guys, welcome back to my channel Super Beauty Desires, and this is Prerna. So today I'll be sharing one interesting video with you guys. Yes guys, this video was pending from so many days, so I thought let's sit and film this video for you guys because I just love this kind of videos. So today I just decided to do makeup on my face using just Febback items. Yes guys, as you all know that I have been subscriber of 6 to 7 months, so in these months I have received some products, so I just thought that I should use all these products and do my face makeup with these products only. I'll not be using any of the other products. I will be using all the products that I got in the Febback. I can just achieve this makeup look after using those Febback items. I just got everything from the Febback except compact foundation and mascara. So just see how I achieve this look just using Febback items. So yeah guys, if you are interested in seeing this video, so please keep on watching. First of all, I am using this watery face serum, which is my absolute favorite. So I'm using it as the primer. So I'm taking little amount of watery face serum here. Yeah, and then rubbing into my palms, between my palms, and then applying it all over my face gently. Yeah. So next I'm taking this Vana Italian Burgundy Luxury Summer Shimmer, as I did not receive any of the foundation because it is having that beige effect in it, so I'm using it as my foundation. So dotting it all over my face. Yeah, then I'm taking my wet sponge and then smudging all this product onto my face very well. Hopefully it will give a good finish because it is not that good as much of foundation, so it does not quite give us the work of that foundation do for us. But yeah, little tint of beige effect it has given to my face, so that's okay. Next I'm using this Kiss Frizz lip balm onto my face for moisturizing my lips because my lips are so chapped these days because of winter. So I'm using this thing on my face before applying anything onto my face. Then next I'm using this Makeup Revolution Matte Effect concealer. So all over my eyes I will be using it. Yeah, under eyes to hide my under eye dark circles, and onto my upper lid area, and then on my nose, cupid bows, and corners of my mouth, and little bit of on my forehead. Then taking my wet sponge again, then blending all the product very well onto my face. These wedges are so good because these have some corners, so that it makes easy to blend out all the products very well. So I love these Vega sponges. If you want to see the review, I will link over above on the iCard. You can purchase these Vega sponges also. These are very much affordable. So yeah, blending out the product very well. So it just works very well for my skin, although I do not like it so much because it is so much dry, but I have not used foundation here on my face, so it's looking good on my face right now. So next thing I'm using is this kajal. This is the kajal from which brand I don't remember. I will link it in the description below. I think this is from the Sugar brand. No, this is from the Soul Tree Kajal. Yeah, I remember now. This is the Soul Tree Kajal, and this is in the shade black, pure black 011 shade. So I am tightening my upper lid also and my waterline with this kajal. Then I'm taking my Caprese can pencil. Sorry, yeah, this is the Caprice pencil, which is in blue color, aqua blue color. This color is so good, guys, and it gives such pop up to our eyes. I like this pencil, so I have to stretch my eyes to give a proper finish over there. So yeah, just applying it all over, I mean onto my eyelids as eyeliner. I like this color so much. Sorry guys, my eyebrows are overgrown now because I am, growing my hair out there on my eyebrows. I'm using castor oil these days so as to thicken my eyebrows, so it's not properly shaped up. So next I'm using this bombshell eyeshadow, and this is the color green. So I'm just using this crayon onto my eyeshadow because I just received this one in my fab bag. So I have this only product from the fab bag item, so I'm using this one only, and it's quite creamy, so it is quite easy to apply it through this crayon. So yeah, it's quite easy to apply eyeshadow through this crayon. I like this whenever I am in hurry, so I just use this eye crayon. So smudging it little bit because it was giving me some harsh lines over there, so I was just smudging it. Then next I'm using this eyelash curler. So this eyelash curler is from the brand Devo. I also got it from the fab bag. Yeah, every item I got in my fab bag. So curling my curling my eyelashes there. So next I'm using this Stenigda Balm stainer onto my cheeks. This is a good product, but it is quite dry, so I have to use it on my hand first, then I will be applying onto my cheeks, because if I will apply it directly onto my cheek, it will not give me that finish which I wanted. So yeah, I'm just doing right away this thing. So this was the sample size they have given me, so it's with me right now, and it's giving me a quite tint of that red color. Next I'm using my favorite lipstick from Sugar Cosmetics, and it is in the shade Mad Magenta. So I like this color so much. This is so good color, and I'm just going to apply it on my face, I mean on my lips, sorry. So yeah, I'm just applying it on my lips. It's very difficult to hold this bullet because it's cuboid in shape, so it's quite difficult to hold it and apply onto your lips, but I like its creamy effect that it gives us. It's matte. So yes guys, now opening my hair up because I have been tying it because of doing makeup. So yeah, all things done. So settling down my hair there, and now I'm using this perfume from the brand, and it has also come in my fab bag, and I'm just telling you the brand. It's from Summer Snowflakes. This perfume is so good, I like its fragrance. And then I have applied the nail paints from this Chumky brand. I have also received this from fab bag. So yeah, all things are done. Bye bye. So guys, this is the look that I can achieve with those using fab bag items. So if you like this video, and if you have enjoyed this video as much as I did filming it, so please hit subscribe button over there if you are new to my channel, and please hit like to this video. Yeah, please hit like to this video and share this video with your loved ones. So till then, stay beautiful, stay stylish, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye, see you, take care, bye.